It was a quiet Tuesday morning when the notification popped up on his phone. He looked down and saw the number, $1,003,847. There were no fireworks, no popping champagne, and no magical feeling. He was just a man standing in his kitchen, staring at a screen. He had spent 20 long years chasing this exact moment. Yet, over the next 18 months, he lost almost $400,000. It did not happen because the stock market crashed or because his business went under. It happened because he made a single choice, the same exact choice most people make within weeks of hitting 7 figures. The strangest part was that his decision felt completely smart and reasonable at the time. To understand why hitting $1 million can actually be the most dangerous moment in your financial life, we have to look back at where his story really began. 12 years earlier, at 2:17 a.m., he was staring at a glowing laptop screen. His spreadsheet painted a dark picture. He had $4,800 in savings, $11,200 in retirement, and $18,000 in credit card debt. His true net worth was negative $2,000. He was not broke enough to panic, and that was the real problem. When you're not in a total crisis, it is easy to tell yourself that you will just figure it out later. But that night, he did the math and discovered something terrifying. At his current pace, retiring was not just far away, it was impossible. That was the exact moment everything changed. He did not find a secret investment or suddenly double his paycheck. Instead, he simply stopped trying to get rich fast. He decided to start climbing the 6 financial levels that almost every self-made millionaire must pass through. His very first instinct was the exact same one most people have when they want to build wealth. He tried to find a shortcut. He spent his time looking for hot stocks, trying to predict what the stock market would do next, and listening to financial influencers who promised massive returns. He was chasing excitement instead of looking at the simple math. 1 year later, the results were painful. He had lost thousands of dollars, wasted countless hours of his life, and made almost zero real progress. That was when he learned a lesson that sounds completely boring but changes absolutely everything. Wealth is rarely destroyed by being too patient. Instead, it is usually destroyed by being impatient. Once he understood that truth, it became the deep foundation for every financial level that followed. Instead of chasing big returns, he decided to build a simple system. He set up an emergency fund, made his investing automatic, and created a solid plan to pay off his debt. Every single payday, his money moved into these accounts before he even had a chance to touch it or spend it. At first, the actual numbers were not very impressive. However, the process itself was powerful. For nearly 2 years, his progress felt completely invisible, as if nothing was changing at all. But that quiet stage is exactly where most stable futures are actually built. He realized that direction matters far more than speed, especially when you are just beginning your journey. Then the stock market dropped. Suddenly, every major news headline predicted total disaster. His friends stopped putting money away, and some even sold everything they owned out of fear. One of his coworkers got so scared that he moved his entire retirement account completely into cash. He was incredibly tempted to do the same thing and protect what he had. But instead of reacting to the panic, he chose to follow his plan. Month after month, he kept making his usual contributions, keeping his head down while everyone else watched the news with anxiety. A year later, the difference between him and everyone else became completely obvious. The people who tried so hard to avoid short-term losses ended up missing the market's recovery entirely. Meanwhile, the people who stayed invested owned far more assets than they did before the crash. He learned that the hardest financial skill is not taking action. It is having the restraint to do nothing at all. Then something truly strange and exciting happened. His total investment portfolio crossed right over the $300,000 mark. For the first several years of his journey, almost all the growth in his accounts had come from the hard work of saving money from his own paychecks. If he did not put money in, the number did not really move. But now, the math shifted and the growth itself started contributing to the pile in a major way. During some months, he would log in and see that the account had actually grown by more money than he had invested out of his own pocket from his job. For the very first time in his life, his money was actively working for him and helping to create even more money. It felt like a small snowball that had finally rolled long enough to start gathering its own snow. This new financial stability began to change how he viewed the rest of his world, altering his daily choices and his long-term career goals. He realized he did not have to accept bad treatment or low pay just to survive. Because he had a financial cushion, he negotiated differently at work, took smarter career risks, and stepped away from bad situations. He completely stopped making major life choices out of pure fear or desperation. He finally understood a deep truth that most people miss. True financial security is not just about having a massive pile of cash to show off. It is about having the freedom to choose your own path, protect your peace of mind, and create real options for your future. Around the time his portfolio hit $600,000, his investing routine became completely and utterly boring. And as he soon learned, that boredom was absolutely perfect for his financial future. Everything in his money life was now running on a totally automated system. His retirement accounts, his regular brokerage contributions, his schedule for rebalancing his investments, and his long-term tax strategy all ran quietly in the background without him needing to lift a finger. The success of the plan no longer depended on his daily motivation, his personal discipline, or his emotional willpower on any given week. He did not need to force himself to save money anymore, because the system did it for him before he could even think about spending it. His main job was no longer to push the financial machine forward or try to speed it up. Instead, his only job was simply to stay out of the way and not break the beautiful machine he had built. When things get that quiet and automatic, it is easy to let your guard down and assume the hard part is over. You start to think you are invincible because the numbers are finally big. But human beings do not always handle boredom well, especially when it comes to money. That exact feeling of calm safety is where the deepest trap is set, and it is precisely where the next big danger appeared in his life. One morning, the number finally appeared on his screen, just like he had dreamed about for 2 decades: $1,003,847. He had officially achieved the massive goal he had spent 20 long years chasing. But when he looked at the screen, almost nothing happened inside him. There was no sudden rush of dramatic emotion, no instant wave of pure happiness, and no magical transformation that made his life feel completely perfect. He was still the exact same man, standing in the exact same kitchen, holding the exact same cup of coffee. Instead of feeling like a king, he just felt a quiet realization. He understood that the financial mountain he had spent so many hard years climbing was not actually the final destination. It was really just a checkpoint along the way. And that is exactly when the most dangerous thought of his entire life quietly entered his mind. He looked at the 7-figure number and thought to himself, if I was smart enough to build $1 million using a boring system, imagine what I could do if I started taking much bigger risks. He began to feel like he had a special touch and that he could not lose. He started thinking about individual stocks, massive business deals, and fast investments that promised to double his wealth in no time at all. That single, confident thought has destroyed far more personal wealth than most major economic recessions ever will. It is the ultimate trap for people who finally make it to the top. This is the exact spot where so many people lose absolutely everything they worked for. They do not lose it when they have $10,000, and they do not lose it when they have $100,000. They lose it at $1 million. It happens because healthy confidence quietly turns into dangerous overconfidence. Suddenly, people feel like they can do no wrong. They start picking individual stocks aggressively, putting all their money into just one investment, and taking huge bets. They borrow too much money for real estate, chase risky private business deals, buy into cryptocurrency hype, and trade complicated options. The goal completely changes from protecting and slowly growing their money to trying to prove they are smarter than the simple system that made them wealthy in the first place. Our character did exactly that. He fell right into the trap and watched nearly $400,000 disappear in what felt like the blink of an eye. Through that deep loss, he came to a very painful realization. He learned that the habits required to create $1 million are often completely different from the habits required to protect $1 million. The correct move after reaching seven figures is not to slam your foot on the gas pedal and accelerate. Instead, the correct move is to strengthen your entire system. It means focusing heavily on spreading your money out across different investments, managing your risks, being smart about taxes, and preserving your capital. Because once you finally become a millionaire, the entire game changes. You're no longer trying to build wealth from nothing. Your main job now is simply to keep compounding alive so your money can take care of you for the rest of your life. Right now, somewhere in the world, a 27-year-old is opening their very first investment account. A 35-year-old is sitting down at a kitchen table to create their first real budget. A 42-year-old is finally making the last payment to wipe out their high-interest debt for good. All of these people think they're just making a small, ordinary financial decision on a regular day. They do not realize that they are actually taking the very first step toward a future version of themselves, a version that will one day stand in a quiet kitchen, staring at a seven-figure number on a phone screen. And when that incredible day finally arrives for them, they will face the exact same choice our character did. They can choose to treat $1 million like a final finish line, where they can start playing fast and loose with their money. Or they can choose to treat it like the beginning of an entirely new game that requires a totally different strategy. Because in the end, the truth about wealth is very simple. Most people in this world never become millionaires because they take far too much risk way too early in their lives. And on the flip side, many people who actually become millionaires stop being millionaires because they take far too much risk way too late in the game. The steady, quiet discipline that gets you to the top of the mountain is usually the exact same discipline that allows you to stay there and keep what is yours.